Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a forward edge headlight bulb. Before you begin, it is important to gather your tools, which may include a small flathead screwdriver and your replacement bulbs. Always remember to wear gloves when handling new bulbs to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the glass. Also, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. To access the headlight bulb, first open your vehicle's hood. Locate the back of the headlight assembly. You will typically find a round dust cover or protective cap. Twist this 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove it. For some forward edge models, you might need to temporarily move the air intake or carefully loosen a few bumper clips to create enough space to reach the bulb. Once you have access, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing its release tab and pulling it straight off. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb, twist it 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and carefully pull it out of the housing. Take your new bulb, align its tabs with the housing, insert it, and then twist it 1/4 turn clockwise until it locks securely into place. Remember, do not touch the glass. After the new bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear it click. Then, carefully replace the dust cover or any other components you removed, ensuring they are properly sealed. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. If both headlights are replaced, check both to ensure they illuminate correctly and evenly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.